Welcome to a new video. In this video, I will be demonstrating the chat app that I have made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. So, in React, I basically used React Router, React Hooks, and React Components. So, this is the basic file structure of my app. In the public folder, we have the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Sorry, in the public folder, we have the HTML of the uh, app, and inside the source file, SRC file, we have the CSS in a CSS folder, and then JavaScript and JavaScript. Okay, and for running this app in another machine, we can simply clone this git repository or download the code from here and then run the command npm install and then npm start. After that, we need to run npm start. First of all, we need to run the command npm install and then npm start, and then we need to hit this url. Let us see the deployed app. So from this button here, using this button, we can add users to this chat, and using this uh, using this search bar, we can search the conversations. Okay, and let me just erase it. Now let's try adding some people in the chat. We can moreover we can search for users to add in the chat from this search bar also. Let's try to search someone. RIY. So as you can see that I have not typed the whole name, but it is giving me the relevant results. So this is also one of the features of the search bar, that whenever we don't need to type the whole name, we just need to type a part of the name, and it will give us the relevant results in the search bars. Okay, so let's add this, and whenever we add a conversation, we will get a pop-up display that added new conversation. Let's add some another. Let us add another conversation. Who's that? Okay. Now let's close this. Let's send some message. Uh, we can simply hit enter and then send the message also, or we can click on the send button. Okay, as you can see, I pressed enter and the message was sent. Let me try by clicking on the send button. So we add some smileys also. So we can add smileys also. Let me add a smiley and then send. Okay. This is some basic chat that will be displayed when the user is when we when the user is clicked upon. Suppose that here the template chat was hey, hi Ria, and here the templated chat was hi, are you busy? What happened to you, bro? Okay, Let's send some message to the user Mayur. Okay, we can also send images through this link icon. And moreover, we can only send images of type JPG. So let me add a image here. Okay, as you can see, we are getting a small preview of the image. Moreover, we can add people to the chat here by clicking on the plus sign here also. So let me add. Let me try to add a person who has already been added to the chat. Let me try to add Ria again, and let's see what happens. So you see, this warning is displayed that user has already been added, so no need to add it again. Okay, so this case has also been handled by me, that when a user is already added to chat and we are trying to add it again, then it will not be added again. Okay, let's try to add a user Raju. Okay, let me close it. Let's send some message to him also. Okay, now let's try to search for conversations using this search bar. Okay, let me try to search for Ria, RIUI. As you can see, I am getting the relevant conversation. I am getting the relevant person over here. Now let's try to search someone who has not been added to this chat. Let's try to search for my name instead. So as you can see that since my name has not been added to the chat, so it is not displayed here. Let's remove it. Okay, that was pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.